Alright, so this is the Ford Focus 2012, and currently I just had a radio problem, man. It was just static and all static, and I looked it up, man. It was talking about $500, this and that. Like telling me I gotta go through a whole lot, but the only thing I did was pop this motherfucker out. You heard me? And it's that box right there. Replace that box. I went to the junkyard, found the same car, replaced it. You know what I'm saying? It got an extra thing in the back of the radio, or the head unit that I put in there. But I don't have a plug to plug into it. The only thing is, my Bluetooth ain't working, and the CD player ain't working. So if I get the exact one for my car, or upgrade to get the cord put on my car, then I could get that back. But till then, play the music for y'all so y'all can hear this. My boy, my brother, rapping this shit. It's his music. Gonna hear it. Let's just be that.
They say who that?
Subscribe to my
shoot
shit.
That, shoot that, shoot that, who that? Shoot that, shoot that. They say who that? Shoot that, shoot that,
Downtown.
shoot that, shoot. Yeah, shot his ass up with a Macanuzi. Honey on his head, call it Macanuzi. Whack his head, then his head hit his noodles. Popped up, pop talk, he lost the screws. Boom. They say ghost can't get
Rolling up that
I'm
real
a ghost
dope.
buster. I'm that one shit, I'm a hustler, ain't no hope. Custler, vampire thugging at nighttime. 100, yeah, I cut out, kill you, cut your head. The 100, like a like he got counting them blue 100. Like how he get so much, yeah, goddamn, got that money. I been stacking it, starving. I been stacking it, starving. I been clutching my heat. I call that Maca to Carter. I told them Maca to Carter. When they shoot you, you're home and it's slopping. Because they can't see your top.
So what's that shit called right there, man?
Freestyle, bro.
Freestyle Bro by Slick Rick. I heard.
He say, have you back to old me? I make her put some shit in your ear. Have you back to